Hi, James here. I wanted to touch on a subject that is going around YouTube, and that is, can you actually make money on YouTube without showing your face? Now, this is a search term, and a person that I've been following is Thomas Garrett's. Now, you can see through here, he just after like a month of not posting anything, he just premiered a video, and it's doubling down on the same topic. He used 2023 and beyond, and of course, you know, the cheesy fingers pointing up. I'm not hating on anybody. It's just, it is what it is. At this point, I've gone through his no face YouTube course, and I'm seeing, I put out my own YouTube course. I don't really sell it anymore, but I'm seeing a lot of things that people are missing these days. Mine was over 10 years ago. People are putting out YouTube creator videos and course creation in which they talk about YouTube, and so much is being left out. It's being glossed over. Like, you could find a million different ways to create a YouTube channel that tells everything basically that you need to know. It's not everything you need to know, but they're leaving the stuff you really, really, really need to know that they're doing. They're leaving it out. Like, I'm not accusing this guy. It's not a scammer. There are ways to do this. This video is proof. Now, he does it. I just put this in here. Make money on YouTube without showing face. It's an actual YouTube search term. So that's how come he's getting 237 views per hour on this video. So I'm actually going to start making videos like that. Not to piggyback off this, but to tell the truth and to actually show a channel that's done correctly. Or I'm definitely going to do one correctly. And I'm going to do one exactly how they teach in their course, because I have all these guys' courses. I have his course. This is his newest video that just got released. It's, 73 views per hour, make money map. They all get accused of being scammers. Some of these I don't know. Dave Nick, yeah, that's a good idea to have horns coming out at this point. There's so much crap. He talks about in his course, YouTube Fly, about buying subscribers and this and that, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't work. Now, this is definitely a good niche. So, I'm not going to lie. I'm going to jump on the bandwagon because, first of all, I'm going to do a channel to show if it works according to their style. This guy's tripled down on this stuff, and apparently it still gets videos. So I'm going to try to get this channel ranked for this and show how I do it and show earnings on a channel. Like this channel right now, as of the time of this recording, is new. And I've been, showing how to start a business the correct way, the tools you need. Like, the reason this pops up is because I have a video about an LLC. I started an LLC. Not to ramble on too much, but for those of us who maybe don't want to show our face, is this giving false hope? Because yes, there are channels that do it that do not show their face. And usually in every example, even in the example here, she shows her face. And on some of the other ones that he's used, like Mr. Money on Social Blade, they might have started out using certain ways of doing their YouTube content that was automated, or you'll see a spike downward where they deleted 4 or 5 million views because they got a copyright strike. Now, because they went private, not because they suddenly decided to go private on one of the videos. It might be private, but it's because of a copyright strike. You don't eliminate 5 million views or subscriptions because the video's doing well, or it's doing too well, or really for any other reason than something went wrong. So and basically he's pushing the end video. I have a secret lifetime subscription to NVIDIA myself. So I'm going to go through. I'd really rather not play the entire thing, because I don't want to get copyright strikes. So I mean, like, he goes through this video and says, now it's don't take the whole article, whereas before you could take the whole article. But if you take it and you read it, it's the same thing as if you rewrote the article. And Google's getting too good right now at distinguishing with the AI your voice and what you say and the copyright. You got to be really careful. And not a single one of these people, not a single one of these YouTubers that say, and this is a huge deal, I forget her name, but she tried to call him out, and I think it was all a sham anyway. But tried to call him out because he says now it was 9 channels, 1 over 1 million subscribers. The other 8 had over 100,000 subscribers, and he doesn't give out any of those. Giving out your videos or channels that are making you money, especially in a faceless niche, which he actually does basically give them away. It's either one of the top 5 small s, or one of them it's a top 5 channel he started out with. But he doesn't actually show any earnings. Well, at least not connected. Like, he doesn't go through here and show, okay, this is my channel, this is what it makes. Yes, these guys do it on their main channels, and they are making a lot of money by showing you how to do it. And right at the beginning of this video, and this video, matter of fact, most of the videos, okay, you're going to think this is a scam, so let me show you people are making money. Not let me show you that I'm making money using this method that I've been talking about for 2 years. So by now, they should have another channel. He does have another channel, but it's still him doing basically an anonymous YouTube channel. They won't show it. So if they're not doing it and they're not willing to show it, you should not listen. Now I'm telling you, I'm not asking you to subscribe, although you can if you want. But I'm telling you that there is no danger to giving away your channel. Only time there is if once you pumped it up so much, and even in your course you don't give it away, is you have such a teetering reputation between good and bad, good or evil. A lot of people love these guys. I like them too. I watch their content a lot. But if they're actually making money doing this, you have to be able to back it up. You just can't tell me. And Thomas, I apologize if you're watching this. I love you. But this $20,000 a month and $10,000 a month, if you can't back it up with something other than a Social Blade, and you aren't doing it, then don't talk about it. Don't teach people to do something that you can't do, or you are not doing, or you're willing to prove that you are doing. Because to me, that's unethical. So this video right here, if it even gets published, is going in a vault. It'll accompany 4 or 5 other videos when I release this, because I'm going to test this hypothesis. I'm not saying that it's a scam, you can't do it. Obviously some people are. Brightside, so many others, people that have turned the Faceless video into a documentary type style, and they are able to use re-uploading people's content because they're doing it the correct way. But in the end, this can get a lot of people, especially when you've got 611,000 people. So probably that have watched any of the videos without a face. Millions upon millions of people that have watched these faceless YouTube niches. And there are already people out there, ganking content and just taking it and reusing it. And first of all, it does dilute the market. People are going to do it anyway, but most of the time they're on throwaway accounts. They don't know what they're doing. They're not going to be able to get monetized. But if somebody comes and takes this advice, and I know a few people that have, they've taken this YouTube Fly course from Dave Nick. I'm pretty sure it's YouTube Fly, but they've taken it. It's evil, but makes $100,000 a month. Then why do it? You're gonna have people click on it, but I lost my train of thought. So hopefully I don't get a copyright strike. Frankly, I kind of don't care, but none of these guys show it. And as I was saying, in some courses they show you how to buy subscribers and to buy views. Views are one thing, but it can once you reach a certain level, it's not going to mess the algorithm up, because you're getting people from all over the world, different parts of the world, watching you for no reason at all. They've accidentally clicked on your video. It happens all the time. You've got bots out there scraping, watching, doing all manner of things. So a few clicks from an audience that isn't interested isn't going to matter. So let's say he's got 294,000 subscribers. So he gives away his channel, his Faceless channel, which he never says that he does. He says he has a few channels, this and that, but say every single person goes over there. Well, most of the people that are subscribers like you, they're not going to bomb the channel. That's something you have to worry about whenever you are disliked by your community. They could bomb the channel, but you could also very easily, like I'm about to do, make a channel. It's not easy. And then get it to earning, some of us would be perfectly happy. $20, $30 a day off a Faceless YouTube channel. We upload, make videos exactly how you say, have a few channels, and turn it into a decent living, which is hard to do in the times that we're getting into. Let me check my time here. I don't see it, but that's okay. So yeah, I'm gonna build up a channel and I'm gonna share it. Yeah, I wouldn't want to take a chance on it getting ripped off, but if you're online anyway and they're showing examples of other people, so you're basically, if it was that easy to sabotage, then you're actively helping to sabotage already established growing channels in the Faceless niche, because you're sharing how to recreate their videos and to do it better and to take the same content and to re-upload it and still their thumbnail. So which is worse? You possibly destroying another channel and destroying their income and possibly destroying their family. You with me? Possibly destroying their family. But yet you will not show your channel. And I'm talking not to Thomas right here. Somebody walking around. These guys, they'll show you, yes, this is the best niche. Go and steal their content. That's absolutely what it is. If you think it's not, you're lying to yourself. Don't reinvent the wheel. That's true. I get it. We got to do what we got to do. So 12, 13 channels making a lot of money, outsourcing now to get it all done. Okay, cool. You won't even share one of them to prove that you're legit. That could double your subscribers. So I don't know. I'm gonna stop my rant. right about there. And hopefully by the time this goes live, you can see one of the other videos. And because I'm going to do it, I'm going to show everything. Right now, I'm going to go see who's walking around my house making noise. Pop, pop, fizz, fizz.